Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Several notable companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange released their latest financial results. First up, Stanley Motor Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025, reports a 52% increase in 3 months net profit. Then, Carreras Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025, reports first quarter net profit of $1.41 billion. From there, we see that Berger Paints Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports a 77% decline in 3 months net profit. And then Fontana Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending March 31, 2025 reports a 9-month net profit of $489.84 million. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reports that general prices level dipped 0.4% in April. Statin says this decline in average prices in April was due to a 1.4% dip in the prices of housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels, and a 0.5% in the prices of food and non-alcoholic beverages, and a 0.4% hike in the price of healthcare services. For the trading period ending May 15, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 18,722,849 units traded, representing 47.18% of market sales volume. Food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 6,708,292 units traded, representing 16.9% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,230,170 units traded, representing 5.62% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $79.81 million purchased and US $75.78 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 66 cents per dollar, selling the US at $159.11 and buying the US at $158.45. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.55 per transaction, with selling at $115.10 and buying at $110.55. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.78 in profit, with selling at $211.38 and buying at $209.60. For our credit report tip of the day, in a world where data drives decisions, your financial track record can be one of the most important narratives about your reliability and foresight. Especially for early-stage entrepreneurs or small business owners, your personal credit may be one of the few objective indicators a potential partner or lender has to go on. So here's a few suggestions. Take some proactive steps. Monitor your credit score regularly. Know what your score is and what's affecting it. Also, pay on time. It's the simplest and most powerful way to build trust. Think about reducing debt. High utilization of credit cards or loans can signal high risk, even if you're never late. Also, separate personal and business credit. Over time, build a solid business credit profile as well. So the bottom line is, you might be the visionary, the leader, the strategist, but if your credit history isn't in good shape, it could hold your entire business back. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.